What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be taking a look at a build plate for your 3D printer. So this is going to be a double-sided smooth build plate, and this is going to be for build plates that are 235 by 235 millimeters in dimensions. So if you have a build plate of that size, this should work fine. Also, there are certain printers that this is made for. As long as your plate has those dimensions, it should work really well. Now, this is going to feature glitter-like design. It has on one side it's going to be more like a star pattern, and then on the other side it's going to be a circle pattern. So this is going to give your prints a nice pattern on the bottom of it, something different besides the smooth surface that you get on your 3D print. So on this we have a circle pattern, and it makes it holographic as well. So you can see how this really, makes your 3D prints pop. And then we have some smaller ones, and you can really see how it changes the design of these smaller prints. And you can see here the difference that it makes on your 3D prints when you have a build plate like that. It really makes it pop, especially with these small prints. You can see the design patterns in that glossy surface area on there. Looks really nice. Now this is going to be a spring steel build plate, so you can see that it's very flexible. You can pop off your prints really easy. To clean this, you would just take a microfiber cloth, rub it across, and it makes it nice and clean. This is also resistant to high temperatures, so that way you get nice smooth adhesion onto your build plate and your prints come out nice and smooth. So guys, once again, this is going to be the double-sided PEY smooth build plate for your 3D printer. You check out the different designs that they offer. Also, make sure you double check your build plate size to make sure you have the right dimensions for your 3D printer. Once you do that, then you should be all set. So hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.